The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, it just completely leaked. I was trying to have a vacation, and then the whole thing had to leak. I was trying to just chill out on the beach and just be in life for a minute for once.
Just keeps roping you
just,
back
just
in.
2 days. I'm just trying to have two. I just tried to take 2 days.
No.
And then this guy leaks the whole Note 20 Ultra. Jimmy is promo. Shout out Jimmy is promo. I have no idea what that name means, but somehow it's memorable. So shout out to him. He posts a video on YouTube with the whole unit. The front of the device is obviously all display, massive 6.9-inch panel, 120 hertz refresh rate. The huge camera hump on the back looks to be even bigger than on the S20 Ultra, which already has an enormous camera hump, dare I say. This one looks even bigger, and when you see it laid down flat in this video that you're now playing, you're going to see it's got some height to it. It's got some serious height to it. There's going to be a wobble factor, I'm certain, when you place it on the table. I don't know if that's an issue for you, Will, but hopefully they've improved. They claim to have improved the autofocus, so maybe there's more magic going on within that camera hump that'll make it worthwhile. You can see the One UI 2.5 here as well when he's showing the front of the device. What's happening on the bottom of the device there? Is that some kind of adhesive or is that a reflection?
I think it's like tape or something.
Some kind of tape. Who knows? I don't know where he got this. Jimmy is promo. I don't know where he found this thing. Was it just sitting on a park bench? I'm not sure. The S Pen has moved. However, it's identical. And further in this video, he removes the S Pen and inserts it into the new model, and it fits perfectly. But look at the height on the camera hump. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a beast. Of course, you have the 3 camera modules in there, including the folded style zoom that people would expect to have, seeing as how they're getting that on the S20 Ultra. And yeah, as I mentioned, the S Pen is the exact same, at least the exact same size. Whether or not it has any extended functionality remains to be seen. They're ditching the TOF that's found on the Note 20 Ultra. What? This confirms earlier reports about Samsung ditching the TOF. Yeah, they're ditching it for the Note 20 Ultra. And that's why you see just the 3 camera modules on the rear side of this particular leak. Yeah, it's tape on the bottom. I wonder why. What's being hidden beneath the tape? Huge camera. Holy moly. Enormous camera. That's 2020 for you. Anyways, yeah, so the whole thing is out. I'm curious what people are thinking about it. We saw pictures, obviously, before we saw the whole video. But I would guess that Samsung saw some degree of success with the S20 Ultra, and so the aesthetic is really carrying through here. It's not too different. What do you think of the look, Will? Are you impressed? Are you happy? Is it ugly? Is it pretty?
I mean, it's the same, right? Like the actual rectangular shape. It's just the camera hump that's really different. Am I wrong here? Like it looks exactly the same. But I don't know.
I mean, the camera hump is maybe, what would you say, 3 times the size of the previous version?
Yeah. Both size and thickness, I would say.
That's correct. You nailed it on that one. So, but what I'm saying is, are you prepared to carry around the big hump yet? Because what do you have in your pocket right now? I can't remember. S20 not Ultra.
Yeah, just the S20.
Yeah, it's a smaller camera hump.
Yeah, not even the Plus.
Not even the Plus.
But, it's great. I mean, I have a later case on it. It's fine.
Is that a later case shout out?
Oh, yeah.
Sponsor of this episode?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
I don't know. It's just, it's really thick.
Yeah.
Like, this is a chunky boy here.
It's crazy. Eventually, the camera hump is going to be the same thickness as the actual phone. It's totally possible. Well, I'll put up with it. I'll say this. I'll put up with it if they nail the autofocus thing. Apparently, they worked on it with this one. That's the thing I'm most curious to check out, because the video mode, you had all these crazy, amazing video modes on the S20 Ultra, but then I couldn't focus the thing. The thing had no fluid or smooth focus transition in autofocus when you're trying to shoot a video. It was hunting. And it did change a little bit with firmware updates, but I think Samsung's going with a completely different system here. So that's what I'm most interested in. If it's bang on, if it's rock solid, I'll put up with a slightly larger hump myself. But anyways, there it is, fully leaked. I mean, Samsung can't be happy about this. Can this video stay up? This device is not out yet. I don't know. Samsung's going to be asking politely, hey, man, or is there even such a thing as a leak anymore in 2020? Is this one of the drips? Are they dripping it? Did they just leave this at Jimmy is Promo's doorstep and say, shh, don't tell anybody? And what they really meant was tell everyone.
Jimmy's licking his lips.
Yeah. Who knows? We don't know what's what.